Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're going to talk about knee stretches, knees off. Okay, so if the knee stretches round and flat are a prep for anything, it is for the knee stretches, knees off. In fact, the more advanced you get, sometimes you just skip the round and the flat and you go right into the knees off. I never do. I kind of like to do the whole series, not because I always have the energy for it, but I just know how much it makes you so strong. It really helps you get from being on the floor to standing up. It's a full body exercise that strengthens your legs and your center, right? So I love it. I will show you the transition from the flat to the knees off, and then I will also show you some single leg knees off too, because they're very important. So you have two springs on, and in theory you would go from the round to the flat, and then just round again and pull your knees up. Keep them 2 inches off the carriage, work the out and the in, pressing your heels back the whole time. Notice how it's really easy to start to end up way up here with your knees. Keep those knees 2 inches off and really closing the carriage every time. Okay, so you want to hear the emphasis on the springs on the in, not on the out. Could my legs get straighter? Sure, but not the sacrifice of my spine. The space between your shoulder blades, it's going to want to dip. Keep that lifted, okay? So keep the connection of your arms to your back. Now, a single leg version, which a lot of people consider a prep, I wouldn't. I think it's harder, but it really does teach you how to use your standing leg. So you lift your knee up 2 inches and you push out and in, and you're really just pushing with that back leg, and it really helps you feel this lift and this connection, right? And I would do like 5 on each leg, and if you find, oh, this one's my weaker leg, then you could do weak, strong, weak. There are also many other single leg variations of knees off, which I'll show you some other videos someday. But for now, practice that series. Get really good at it, because the Tinkerbell and feet slides and all that other stuff is very fun. But if you can't hold your knees 2 inches off of the carriage without losing your form, then you're just going to go into parts of your body that are not necessary and not actually helping your practice. If you have any questions for me, please put them in the comments below. And to see how this actually affects and works with your whole reformer practice, join us for our online reformer classes at onlinepilatesclasses.com. Thank you so much for being here.